Hi everyone, welcome to Short Sparks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Midjourney. We have multiple options to access Midjourney. We can access Midjourney via midjourney.com or we can access Midjourney via Discord. All right, so I'm going to show you both methods, how you can access Midjourney via midjourney.com and second option is via discord.com. All right, so I'm going to share my computer screen and then we will learn how to use Midjourney, how to access Midjourney. Okay, so the first option to access Midjourney is via midjourney.com. You need to sign up on midjourney.com. You need to take their subscription and then you will see a page like this. All right. And this is basically explore section where you will see what other creators are generating. And then we have this create section where you can see whatever you are generating, whatever you have generated so far. You can see all the creations in this section. All right, so let's see how to generate your visuals. So after taking Midjourney subscription, we have this prompt box. You can use this prompt box here, or if you go to this create section, you will again see this prompt box. So you can paste your prompts in this box and you can generate your visuals. All right, it's very easy, it's very user friendly. Midjourney.com, generating visuals on midjourney.com. If I have to generate a visual, I will simply type a prompt and then we have this settings tab, and from this settings tab you can decide your aspect ratio, whether you want to generate your images in portrait or whether you want to generate your image in square or in landscape or in wide screen for a cinematic film. So from this section you can decide your aspect ratio. You can decide which model you want to use. We have multiple Midjourney models. You want to use the latest model or you want to use any other model, you can select it from here. Then we have this option raw mode, whether you want to use raw mode or standard mode. So you can decide it from here, and we get all these options, all the options related to image generation in this settings section. Now what these options means, I'm not going to explain in this video because this video is for you to understand how to access Midjourney. I will create a separate video where I will explain all these parameters and how they are going to affect your image generation. All right, then we have modes which you can decide. You want to use fast mode, turbo, or relaxed mode, and this is for video generation if you're generating your videos. All right, so all you have to do is write your prompt here and then hit enter, and our visuals are now generating. So this is very simple, very easy. All you have to do is go to midjourney.com, sign up, take their subscription, and then you will be able to generate the visuals from this prompt box, right? Now I use Midjourney via Discord server, and many creators ask me how to use Midjourney via Discord. So I'm going to show you how you can use Midjourney via Discord. To use Midjourney via Discord, first you need to sign up on Midjourney. You need to take Midjourney subscription. Once you have signed up on midjourney.com, then you can click on these three dots in front of your profile. You can click on three dots and you will see this option, go to Discord. Click on it and it will redirect you to discord.com, and it will ask you to sign up. Now you need to add your display name, you need to fill all these details and create an account on discord.com. All right, once your account has been created, then what to do next? Once your account has been created, once your account has been created on Discord, then you don't need to go to newbie server. Many new creators who are using Midjourney via Discord, they go to the newbie server and start generating their images. You don't need to go to newbie server. You can create your own personal server. All right. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down and you will see this plus icon which says add a server. You need to click on this, then you need to select any one option. I'm going to select create my own. All right, then you can select any of these options. I'm going to select for a club or community, and then I'm going to name this server. Now you need to name your server, whatever you want to name it. You can name this server and then hit create. Now we have created our server, but we cannot generate images in this server because if you see the members list, so if you go here, show members list, you can see Midjourney bot is not in the members list. We need to add Midjourney bot here in the members list. All right. So how to add Midjourney bot in this server so that we can start generating our visuals? So you need to go to the scroll down and go to this discover section, click here, and you will see this Midjourney. Click on it, open this server, and now go to this members list. You can click here to show members list, and you will see Midjourney bot as a member. Click here, click on Midjourney bot, and click on add app. All right, now you can select this option, add to server. All right, now you need to select the server which you just created. So I'm going to select sample server, which I created in front of you, and then hit continue. Then authorize, verify that you are a human. And that's it. We have added Midjourney bot inside our server. Now I can click on go to sample server. Now this is our server. And if you see this members list, we can see this Midjourney bot. All right. Now we can generate visuals inside this server. All you have to do is click slash and you get this option imagine, and in front of imagine there is a prompt box. Click on this prompt box, type your prompt, and then hit enter. This is how you can generate your visuals in Midjourney using Discord. I like to use Midjourney via discord.com because when I started using Midjourney back in 2023, at that time, we did not have this option to use Midjourney via midjourney.com. At that time in 2023, if we want to use Midjourney, we had to use Midjourney via Discord, discord.com, Discord server. So now after using it for so long via Discord, I'm very comfortable with this interface. And this is the reason why I like to use Midjourney via discord.com. If you are new, if you have just started using Midjourney, then of course you can use Midjourney via midjourney.com. All right, that's more user friendly interface and more easy interface for beginners. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you if you're someone who just started using Midjourney, or if you are someone who is trying to understand how to use Midjourney. If you want to learn AI filmmaking, if you want to learn how to use AI for filmmaking, then you can check out the link in the description. And thanks again for watching this video. See you in the next video.